Hey everyone, today I'll show you how to transfer money from RedotPay to PayPal. First, open Google Chrome and search for RedotPay withdrawal. Then, scroll down and click on the option that says Deposit and Withdrawal. Next, scroll to the Withdrawal FAQ section. Here, click on How to withdraw crypto assets from RedotPay to other platforms or wallet. Now, open the RedotPay app on your mobile. Then, go to Home, tap on More, and select Withdraw. Now, choose USDT as the currency to withdraw. Then, select the USDT withdrawal network like USDT TRC20. Make sure your account balance is higher than the minimum withdrawal limit for this network. Next, open a crypto exchange platform that supports PayPal transfers like Binance or Kraken. Here, go to Wallet, then Spot, and then tap on Deposit. Now, select USDT TRC20 and copy the deposit address. After that, go back to the RedotPay app, paste this deposit address in the withdrawal field or scan the QR code. Then, click on the withdrawal button. Now, complete the verification process. Once the withdrawal is confirmed and your USDT appear in your exchange account, you can convert it to your local currency and transfer it to PayPal through the exchange's withdrawal or transfer options, only possible if that exchange support PayPal payouts. Thanks for watching. Hope you found it useful. Don't forget to like and subscribe.